Well, good morning, everyone. It is bright and early on a Sunday morning. It's about 4 o'clock, and I'm headed to the airport on my way to New Orleans. Come along and take this adventure with me. Here at Harrah's Casino in New Orleans, I'm about to test the luck. Or should I even do that? I don't know. I'm about to just go have fun. Looks very interesting. Early in the morning, we couldn't check into our hotel, so why not come play? Let's see how this goes. This looks interesting and good. It hasn't stopped making noise in like a minute. I'm excited. So here is my room at the Hyatt Regency New Orleans on Loyola Street. And I am at the end of the hall with a nice big window in room 849. Let's take a look. Okay, we're right there. And, ooh, looks nice. Let's take a look. First room we have here is the restroom. Nice. Nice. Very cool. And go out. And wow, I have this length, the whole length of the room, or wow, this window. And then since I'm in a corner room, on the other side are more windows. And I have beautiful views of downtown New Orleans. And looks like the swimming pool. Wow. The rooftop swimming pool. By the way, I'm on the 8th floor. And my bed, yes, my shoes and everything are already here. 2 queen beds, or those look like full beds. And a chair, lamp. And let's go to this last part. More windows. Wow, I have a room, it's just full of windows. This is really super cool that I have this corner room. And then over here, the dresser and coffee maker, little Keurig, some coffee pods, the trash, a nice swivel desk to do the work that I'll need to do during this conference and video editing. Once again, the view, the television, and then we have the safe. Go get some water. and the refrigerator with 2 bottles of water. So, nice room. All right, Hyatt Regency. So our Tuesday night dinner in New Orleans, we're going to the Oceana Grill. Here's the line behind me.
Only a one-way.
But here's the line in front of me.
I left New York and we went to California and then came back.
Hope it's worth the wait. And we're back. New Orleans, y'all, or New Orleans, or Nolans. I don't know. How do you say it? Anyway, you know where I'm back from. I just spent 4 days in New Orleans, and it was wonderful. So I just wanted to give you a take on what is the right recipe. So what's the right recipe for New Orleans? Nolans, New Orleans, Nolo. Yeah, that's it. Great food. It was some of the best food that I've ever tasted. So very flavorful, some very spicy. Oh, it was a wonderful mix of food. And they had everything from alligator to crawfish and shrimp Creole and jambalaya and red beans and rice, you name it. And it was so good. So the right recipe, try the food. What else would be the right recipe? The lively atmosphere. We did the French Quarter, and that was amazing in so many ways. The history of the French Quarter, the atmosphere, the buzz, the excitement. There are musicians on every street corner playing their music, and they sound really good. Then in the stores, there's art galleries and craft stores and chachi stores to get your souvenirs right next to a very elegant restaurant, and then a restaurant that's playing loud, blaring jazz music, and then a restaurant that's playing hip hop music, and then a restaurant that's playing country music. What's the right recipe? Go to the restaurants, try them out. What else is the right recipe? We were in a downtown high-rise hotel, and it was very nice to be in that part of the city, seeing the hustle and bustle of the downtown area and having great customer service. That is definitely the right recipe. So to sum it all up, take a trip to New Orleans, be aware of your surroundings, go get to see all of the sights of the city. I know that I'll have to definitely go back because for 4 days, there's no way that I've seen all of it, but I had a really good start and I wanted to share it with you. So thanks so much for joining us at Right Recipe for Travel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We'll be back again with more content to give you that right recipe for travel.